Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect VDO Ninja to OBS Studio. First, make sure your PC and mobile phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then open the OBS Studio on your computer. After that, on your mobile device, search for VDO Ninja and open the website. Once it's loaded, you will see several options. You can either share your phone's camera or stream to OBS Studio. For this video, I will choose the camera option and grant the required permissions. After that, you can switch between the front and rear cameras and even apply filters if you do like. When you are ready, tap Start. Then VDO Ninja will generate a URL for your camera feed. Now go back to OBS Studio and add the browser source. Then type or paste the URL into browser source settings and click OK. After a few seconds, your phone's camera feed will appear in OBS Studio. The best part is VDO Ninja is open source and free to use with no limits. Once connected, you can resize, move and rotate the camera feed however you like inside OBS Studio. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.